Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Good day. Congratulations, dear candidate Akash Rahul Darwad. You deserve this success. A warm welcome back to you from Team ADCI Pune.
Good day, ma'am, and to all the viewers, and thank you for your greetings.
Welcome. Tell us about your success clearing NDA written April 2021 attempt.
I firmly believe that success is directly proportional to the desire you want to achieve it. And this desire or this dream to join the armed forces was instilled in me while I was studying in my ninth standard. This dream gained momentum when I joined ADCI Pune in year 2020, and I was able to channelize my efforts in the right direction. And the credits to my success will go to my family members, my friends, and the teachers at ADCI.
So the start was from class ninth, and that's how you could clear this first attempt. Well deserved. Your daily routine at ADCI.
The day used to start pretty early at ADCI, that is at 6 a.m. in the morning. And as we know, our brains are the most fresh and active in the morning. We used to have daily lecture of maths for 2 hours, followed by lectures of other subjects. The lectures were carried out in a very planned and a systematic way, but more emphasis was given to mathematics, as it is the most pivotal subject in our NDA examination. In this long day of academics, which used to last for about a 14 or 16 hours, students who are really dedicated, focused, and passionate for joining the armed forces will have fun learning at ADCI.
As we can see, you have given your time and the dedication. That's how your success has been portrayed over all of your hard work. How was your journey after your 10th class results?
After my 10th board examination, I decided to prepare for Services Preparatory Institute, that is SPI Aurangabad. But fortunately or unfortunately, exams got cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and they chose students purely on basis of the 10th results, in which I was not able to qualify. After that, I joined ADCI and I started attending online lectures, which boosted my preparation and it boosted my preparation, and it was a step forward towards my goal. After that, I saw that to crack the NDA examination, I needed an all round development. So I divided my preparation into three parts. First was academics. For academics, I truly believe guidance from Anis classes and efforts from my sides would help me crack the written examination. Second was physical. As per the NDA standards, I was overweight and I decided to maintain a proper diet and to exercise daily, which included running minimum 5 kilometers every day. Even today, as I've come for offline lectures, I come to classes running or even cycling. The third and the most important aspect of my preparation, I feel, is the mental preparation, because mental preparation can't happen overnight. It requires ample amount of time to develop, and hence, while I was attending online lecture, I used to have speeches in front of my family members, in which my father guided and helped me a lot. In offline classes, I used to take permission from the teachers and take lectures for the younger kids to develop my self confidence. And the third part is, I am currently reading some self help books, which will boost my mental preparation. And currently, I am reading Seven Habits of Successful People by Stephen R. Covey.
As you have highlighted the three main kind of sattas that you learned from Anish sir, here your satta implements is the three goals starting from your, as you've been focused and being prepared physically as well as mentally. So that's a good start for you. What helped you to find an easy go to see yourself clearing this NDA written examination?
I believe that it was an easy go because I had followed the right process. And my father always used to say that if you follow the right process, you will definitely get the right outcomes in the near future. And this is what I did. And apart from following the process, we should be honest, punctual, being coachable. We should always do extra than given, having work ethics. And if we follow along with and if we follow this along with the process, surely you will be able to crack it.
You seem to be a lot you're putting in your hard work as well as your efforts. Being an ethical person is very important. So, talking about sattas, name few tricks that helped you from Mr. Anis Kuti as well as getting your math preparation.
Sattas is the term which is founded and used by our beloved Anis sir, who is the founder of Anis Defense Career Institute, Pune. Sattas are basically the points which are not which are given between the lines but are not identified by us students. Only an experienced teacher like Mr. Anis Kutti, who has a teaching experience of more than 33 years, will be able to find out. And these are the main aspects of our preparation which are mostly neglected by the students. Anis sir associate Satta with Bollywood terms like Changu Mangu, Amar Akbar Anthony, Chandal Chokdi. These are the ways in which help students to memorize or even understand those concepts in a clear way. And these help us to crack complicated sums in a matter of few seconds.
That sounds really good. Sattas has a great way to enter a Bollywood streamline where they can catch up and learn their maths in an easy go. How did you balance between your college studies as well as your NDA preparation?
As I've been a part of ADCI for more than a year, I found that time was the major constraint between my preparations, and hence I used to clarify all my doubts, make my basics strong, and I had a clear idea of what I was learning. And hence at ADC, and therefore teachers at ADCI help the students groom and understand these concepts by a target-based method of teaching, in which the lectures are planned accordingly, which benefits all the students without any hesitation.
A last question for you, candidate Akash Darwad. What would be your message for our young aspirants who would love to join the armed forces?
I would like to convey only one message, that we should follow the process and not think about the results. Because if we think about the results, it makes us tensed, and we divulge and lose our focus, which should not happen. And if we follow the right process, obviously the right outcomes will follow.
The right process as well as being focused is what is important to see yourself as a successful person. Well, behalf of team ADCI, I, Angelina, would love to thank you, candidate Akash Darwad, for your thoughtful ideas and words of encouragement. Good luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you, ma'am. I would also thank you, Angelina ma'am, and team ADCI, to give me this opportunity to share my thoughts and about my preparation.
To conclude with a great saying, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is a courage to continue that counts. Thank you.